There are a variety of accessibility features and tools that you can use with Windows 10 to make it easier to use your computer if you have certain disabilities or accessibility challenges. To use many of the accessibility features that come with your device, you often need to enable them first. You can access many of the Windows 10 accessibility features in the Settings app under Ease of Access. First, we will cover Vision Settings. For your display, you can change the size of the application and text you're viewing. To do so, click the drop-down menu here and select the percentage that suits you. You can also change the brightness of the display and make it brighter. Moving down to cursor and pointer size, Windows 10 gives you the ability to change the size and color of the cursor to make it easier to see and use. Here, you can also change the width of the cursor to make it easier to find while typing. Next is Magnifier. Enable the magnifier feature to zoom in on parts of your screen as you use your computer. There are also hearing settings. Under Audio, you can set alerts to where you're alerted visually. This prevents you from missing an audible alert. Under Interaction, there are several settings based on your input, including speech, keyboard, and mouse. In the keyboard settings, there is an option to use an on-screen keyboard, which is very useful for devices without a physical keyboard. These are just a selection of the many features of Windows and other operating systems that improve accessibility and allow you to use your computer more effectively.